On this video today, I'm going to show you a highly targeted free traffic source that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is available worldwide, and the best part is that you don't need any skills, you don't need any experience to use this method that I'm about to show you. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you the best offer that you can promote in a highly targeted free traffic source that you can use to get people to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the products for you to earn a commission. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. There are many affiliate networks that you can join. You can join Direct24, you can join ClickBank, or any affiliate network that you want. In this case, I'm using Direct24. Direct24 is one of the best affiliate network that you can sign up and then get a lot of different offers that you can promote to earn money from home. As you can see, this is my dashboard. So when you create an account, you're going to see a dashboard like this. In your case, you're going to be seeing 00. So now what you have to do is that you have to begin to promote products so that you can earn money, and the amount that you earn will be displayed here. To get products to promote, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, marketplace. Once you click on the marketplace, you're going to see a page like this. As you can see, these are offers that you can promote to make money from home. There are a lot of different offers on this platform that you can promote to earn money from home. They have digital products, they have services, they have physical products that you can promote on this platform so that you can be making money wherever you are in the world without investing anything. You can see a whole lot of different offers. If you have a specific category of products that you want to promote, all that you need to do is that you have to click right here, digital products. Once you click on it, you can select a specific category that you want. You can see they have animals and pets, betting systems, business and investment, computer and internet, dancing and music, dating, relationship and romance, education, email marketing, family and children, and many other categories that you can find offers to promote. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see a whole lot of different categories. Apart from selecting products from a category, you can also sort the products based on popularity, earning per sale, earning per cart vista, publication date, and cart conversion rate. Any of them that you want, you can use it. You can see they also have cancellation rate. So you can sort the products using these factors so that you can get the best offer to promote. One of the best ways that you can sort the products is the cart conversion rate. The higher the cart conversion rate, the likelihood that you make a sale. So you can click on it, cart conversion rate. Once you click on it, the products are going to be sorted based on that. As you can see, when we sort by cart conversion rate, this product has the highest cart conversion rate. You can see the cart conversion rate is 39%. That means if you promote it to a group of people, 39% of those people are going to purchase the product so that you can earn money. You can see the commission rate is $135.53 per every sale that you get. So if you get up to 3 sales per day, you can make more than $300 within a day. When you scroll down, there are many others that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of different offers that you can promote. All of these offers, they have high cart conversion rates, and if you promote them, you are likely going to make a sale. There are many of them, so just select the one that you want so that you can promote it. In this case, I want to promote a product under the physical products category. So what I have to do is that you have to scroll upwards. Once you scroll upwards, you can find physical products to promote. You can see it right here, shipping products. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see they have skincare, they have food supplements. I always promote food supplements, so if you want, you can also promote a food supplement. All that you need to do is that you have to click on food supplement. Once you click on it, you can see a whole lot of different food supplements that you can promote. And the best part is that most of them, the conversion rate is high and the cart conversion rate is also high. You can see this offer right here, the cart conversion is 28%. There are many of them, so just select the one that you want so that you can promote it. You can see this offer right here, the cart conversion rate is 22%, the commission rate is $147.68. So if you want, you can promote this product. Apart from this product, when you scroll down, there are many others that you can promote to make money. You can see a whole lot of them. Just select the one that you want. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be promoting this product. I've been promoting it, so if you want, you can also promote it. Let me click on it for you to see. As you can see, these are some details of the product. If you are new, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, sales page so that you can see the landing page of the product before you promote it. The landing page is the first page that your potential visitors are going to see before they purchase the product. If the landing page of a product is nice, you are also going to be making sales because the landing page will convince them to click on the buy now button and then make a purchase, and you are going to be earning a commission. As you can see this product in the landing page, once your potential visitors are reading, they are going to get a pop-up message like this, so they can click right here. Once they click on it, they can make a purchase and then get access to the product, and you're going to be paid. Apart from that, when you scroll down, you can see many other details of the product. You can see a whole lot of different details. You can see testimonials. You can see this is a verified purchase, and you can see that the seller has written something good about the product. You can see many other positive reviews about the product. That means the product is one of the best, so if you promote it, you can equally make a sale, and the people who purchase the product, they can get the results that they want. Once you have seen the landing page of the product, the next step is that you have to get your affiliate link. So you have to click right here, promote now. Once you click on it, your affiliate link has been copied. The next step is that you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people to click on your landing page and then make a purchase so that you can earn a commission. If you want to run ads using paid traffic source, you can run ads and then get people to purchase the product. If you also want to run ads using a free traffic source, you can do so and then get people to purchase the product. In this case, I'm going to show you a highly targeted free traffic source that you can use to get people who live in the United Kingdom to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product for you to make money. Most of the people who live in the United Kingdom have the purchasing power to buy the product, so when you target the United Kingdom, it is one of the best places that you can get people to purchase the product. The website that we are going to be using to drive traffic to our affiliate link is outlive.co.uk. Outlive.co.uk is one of the best websites where you can publish your ads for free without paying for anything. You can see they have a lot of different categories that you can post your ad without paying for anything. You can see a whole lot of different categories that you can select and then post your ad. All that you need to do is that you have to click right here, sign up. Once you click on sign up, you can be able to enter your details so that you can sign up for a free account. You have to enter your name, enter your email address, password, and then click right here, I'm not a robot. Once that is done, you can register for a free account so that you can publish your ads onto this platform. Once you create your accounts and log in, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to click right here, post an ad, so that you can be able to publish your ad onto the platform. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. When you scroll down, you can see select a category. So you have to select the right category that you want to publish your ad. In this case, the product that we are promoting is a supplement under the health category. So all that you need to do is that you have to click on it and then look for help so that you can post your ad. So what you have to do is that you have to select items for sale. Once you select it, the next step is that you have to select the subcategory. So click on it. Once you click on it, you have to look for health. You can see a whole lot of different categories. You can see health and beauty. Select it. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, click right here, go. Once you click on go, you are going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to enter the title of your ad and then select the currency, the price, and the rest. So what you have to do is that you have to enter the details accordingly. I've used ChatGPT to write a title and a description for me. So if you want, you can also use ChatGPT to write a description and a title for you. All that you need to do is that you have to type a prompt like write an ad title and a description for, then you enter the product name right here. Once that is done, it will write an ad title and a description for you. Once you have your ad title and a description, highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see currency. Click on it and then select the currency. Let's select pounds. That is the old option. Once that is done, you have to enter the price of the product. So you have to come back on this 24. Once you come back on this 24, you can see this is the price in dollars. If you want, you can reduce it because the pounds is higher than the dollars. So what you have to do is that you have to reduce it. If you want, you can also enter the same amount, whatever that you want. In this case, I want to reduce it, so let me enter 187 pounds. That is the amount that I want to enter. If any figure that is below the 200, you can enter it right here. Once that is done, you can see discount. There is no discount, so just leave it. Once that is done, you can see phone. We don't want to enter our phone number, so just leave it. Once that is done, you can see website. What you have to do is that you have to come back on this 24, click on copy promo link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you have to come back and then paste your affiliate link here as your website. So paste it right here. Once that is done, you can see street. You have to enter a street address here. So what you have to do is that you have to open a new tab and then search for fake UK address. Fake UK address. Once you search for it, click on the first website. Once you click on the first website, you can see this is a fake UK address. So you can copy these details and then use them in your ad. Just copy them. Once you copy them, you can come back. You can see the street. Just paste it right here. Once that is done, you can see city. Come back on your fake address. Once you come back, you can see the city. Highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to enter the postal code. So come back on your fake address. Once you come back on your fake address, you can see it right here. Zip code or postal code. So just highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see UK regions. Click on it and then select any region that you want. You must select a region, so just select any region that you want. Once that is done, you have to select the country. So you have to select the United Kingdom. You can see United Kingdom, select it. Once you select it, the next step is that you have to add a tax. You want your ad to rank high on this website, so you have to enter the tags that are related to the offer that you are promoting. So in this case, we're going to type something like health. Once that is done, enter comma. Once you enter health, let's enter supplements. Once that is done, what you have to do is that you have to enter email text, something like this. Once you enter the task, the next step is that you have to paste your description here. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on ChatGPT and then highlight and copy your description. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to add images. So you have to search for images of the offer that you are promoting. So you can open a new tab. Once you open a new tab, search for Female X supplements. Once you search for it, select images. Once you select images, download any of these images of the offer and then use it on your ad. So let's select this image. So let's click on save. Once that is done, you have to download another image. You can use as many images as you want. So select another image, right click on it and then select save image as. Once that is done, click on save. Once you save the images, you have to come back on your ad. Once you come back on your ad, click on add image. Once you click on it, select your image, click on open. As you can see, the image has been uploaded. Click on add image so that you can upload the second image. So select the second image, click on open. As you can see, that has been done. Now once you have uploaded the images, you can upload up to 10 images. You can see it right here. So now once you have uploaded your images, if you want your ad to be featured, you can click on this box. Once you click on it, you have to pay £27 so that your ad will be featured on the website. But in this case, we don't want to pay for anything. We want to post our ad so that when we get people to purchase it, we can then get the money to pay for the premium ads. So just leave it. Once that is done, click right here, continue. Once you click on continue, you can see this is the preview of your ad. You have to scroll down so that you can see all the details that you've entered. You can see a whole lot of different details. You can see your details. One most important thing is the link. You can see this is your link. This is your affiliate link. Now once you have seen your details, the next step is that you have to click right here, continue. Once you click on continue, you can see thank you, total 00. That means you are not going to be paying for anything. Your ad has been posted onto the website. Now we are going to be getting people who view your ad and then purchase the product so that you can be making money on Direct 224 without investing anything. So make sure you post a lot of different ads onto this platform. Post as many ads as you want onto the platform so that you can be making money from home wherever you are in the world. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.